Greetings students from Law Prep Tutorial. As you know that CLAT 2021 is just round the corner, and CLAT this year will be a CBT, that is a comprehension based test wherein you need to answer questions based on passages, and passages, as you know, require in-depth understanding, and in-depth understanding to human beings is only possible with a social contact, and Law Prep Tutorial provides now with offline classes, 500 hours plus of offline classes wherein students can get their doubts addressed in person, and nothing beats that because regularly our offline program has produced AIR 1, AIR 2, and apart from that you also get regular monthly current affairs and general knowledge magazine, plus you get access to multiple mock tests and sectional tests wherein you will also get a chance to address your doubts about mock tests, realize how to answer them properly, what should be the correct strategy. So for all of that, this is one program that will realize your dream to joining your dream law school. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now, because we have limited seats as per our COVID restrictions. So for this, you have to either register at our website or contact the offices for which the numbers are on your screen and in our description box below. Thank you.